Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Upper Dish Rack Roller and Axle Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Upper Dish Rack Roller and Axle Assembly. The Upper Dish Rack Roller and Axle Assembly is what the upper rack slides in and out of. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's cracked or damaged and the upper rack isn't moving right. In order to get to the part, the first thing we have to do is open up the dishwasher door. With the door open, we can pull the upper rack out a little bit. We have to take the end caps off so we can pull the dish rack out. To get these end caps off, we're going to use a screwdriver, and all you have to do is press it back until it's in that little cutout right there. Then you can turn it and pull it out. The one on the other side is taken out the same way. Now that we have the end caps out, we can pull the upper dish rack out and carefully set it on the counter. Now that we have the upper rack out of the dishwasher, we can take off the roller assembly. There's 4 of these on here. They're all the same, so order as many as you need. They're all changed out the same way. To release it, we're going to take a small screwdriver and press down on this little locking tab right here, and then pull it off the axle so we can put the new one on. Here's the old upper dish rack roller and axle assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new roller assembly on, all we have to do is line it up onto the axle and push it into place. Make sure it snaps on. Once you have it on, we can put the dish rack back in the dishwasher. Now that we have the new part installed on the dish rack, we can line up the rollers with the rails and push it back into place. Once you have it all the way in, you can pull out the rails so we can put the end caps back on. To put the end caps back on, all you have to do is set it down onto the lower half and twist it up, and then we have to press this tab back so it goes through that little cutout and locks it in. The other one goes in the same way. Now that we have the part installed, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.